Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. In this video, we are going to share, enhance our existing CRM app with to catch up list and client's birthday list. Before we start the video, proudly to announce that you can now use super thanks to show your appreciation. Your support means the world to me, and helps me to continue creating the content that you love. If you'd like to support my channel and be a part of this community, please consider using super thanks during watching my video. You can find the super thanks button under the video. Thank you so much for your support. I can't wait to see you on my audience support channel. Alright, let's start the video. If you haven't watched the previous CRM video, the link is shared at the top right. Alright, let's check out what we are going to build. Is a bit messy here, let me sort out the panel for a better view. Alright, this is the to catch up list. It lists all the contact that already long time that we are not catching up. It show that, how many days we have no catch up with a particular client, together with the last catch up date. A phone call button is added, easier for us to arrange a catch up call immediately. Next, I'm going to share the birthday list, but it doesn't shown. The birthday list that we build is listing the contact whose birthday at current month. Let's edit some contact birthdays to the current month. Alright, here is the birthday list. It only displays if there is someone's birthday in the current month. The birthday list listing the contact whose his birthday in the current month, with his birthday date, a phone call button and an email button. The email button is sending a birthday wish to the birthday client. This is the email content. So that's all for the video. In the next video, we will proceed with the step-by-step workshop for how to set the user interface, the action and the automation. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. In this video, we will continue the step-by-step workshop to build the to catch up list and birthday list. Let's start the workshop now. Add the virtual column as shown. Next, we have added the two new entries in the home panel. Let's check the contact to catch up list first. Set the view as shown. Set the slice as shown. Continue to set the view as shown. Next, set the detail view as shown. Done, let's check the next view entry. Set the view as shown. Set the slice as shown. There are an email birthday wish action here. Set the action as shown. This is a new added column, just now I forget to share this. Let's check the setting for this column. Set the column as shown. Done, let's continue the view setting. Set the view as shown. Next, set the detail view as shown. Alright, we have completed all the entry views. but don't forget to add the to-view entry to the Home 2 dashboard too. This Home 2 is only visible in device, mobile. If you want to know how to do it, you may refer to our existing video. Alright, lastly, let's check the automation that we build to send birthday wish emails. Set the bot as shown. Alright, done. You may ask, why don't we set it as auto email birthday wish upon the birthday date? If you asking this, congratulations, you got a really good idea. And yes, we definitely able to do that. Share me your setting in the comment, so that I may share it to everyone. The video is going to end. If you enjoy the video and would like to have more videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel with your family and friends. Thank you and see you guys in the next video. Bye.